Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for products that truly deliver anti-aging benefits while nurturing your skin, then this might just be the product you need to know about. Today, we're diving into the Eminence Bamboo Firming Fluid, a 1.2-ounce serum designed to restore moisture, boost collagen, and tighten the skin, all while tackling those first signs of aging. This firming fluid promises to deliver concentrated anti-aging benefits, which is something we all need as the years go by, right? With a formula specifically designed for dry skin, it's all about helping your skin look tighter, more youthful, and full of life. So, does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The key selling point here is its bamboo extract, which is known for its hydrating properties and ability to firm and tighten the skin. This makes it a great choice if you're battling dryness and early signs of aging, like fine lines and sagging. The fluid works by boosting collagen production, a vital protein that keeps the skin looking plump and youthful. I've been using this serum for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's very easy to incorporate into my skincare routine. The texture is lightweight, which I love, and it absorbs into the skin quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which is key for those with dry skin who often worry about products that feel heavy or sticky. I've applied it both in the morning and at night, and it's really made a difference in how my skin feels. So much smoother and more hydrated. Now let's get real about the experience. As someone with dry skin, this serum feels incredibly soothing when applied. I love how it instantly moisturizes while giving my skin a firmer, more toned appearance over time. That's something you can't always say about anti-aging products, especially when they're supposed to firm and hydrate at the same time. The product doesn't have any overpowering scent, which is a plus for sensitive skin types, and it's also gentle enough for everyday use without causing irritation. Now onto the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It hydrates, firms, and boosts collagen in one lightweight serum. It absorbs quickly, doesn't leave a greasy feeling, and has made my skin look and feel much healthier. It's definitely a solid addition to any anti-aging routine, particularly for dry skin. However, the price point might be a con for some. It's not the cheapest product out there, so you'll need to decide if the results justify the cost. For me, the results have been promising, but if you're on a budget, there are definitely some alternatives worth considering. Value for money really comes down to how you prioritize quality ingredients and performance. In my experience, this product is worth the investment, especially if you're looking for something that truly targets hydration and visible aging signs. The bamboo extract and collagen boosting effects seem to be working, so it feels like a solid, well-rounded product in terms of what it promises. If you're looking for something more affordable that still delivers on hydration and anti-aging, I'd recommend checking out some other serums with hyaluronic acid or peptides, which are great for boosting moisture and skin elasticity, often at a lower price point. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sturdy and practical. The bottle is compact, which makes it easy to use and carry around if you're traveling. There's no waste with the pump design, which I appreciate. I haven't noticed any change in the product's performance over time, so I can't speak to longevity in that sense, but it's been effective so far. While I haven't interacted directly with Eminence's customer service, I do know the brand is known for its commitment to high-quality ingredients and customer satisfaction. They offer a range of products designed with skincare at the forefront, so their customer support is likely to be just as reliable. If you're considering alternatives, some more budget-friendly options like The Ordinary's Buffet Serum or CeraVe's Hydrating Serum might be worth looking into for similar benefits, though they may not deliver the same level of tightening effects that bamboo extract offers. To sum it all up, the Eminence Bamboo Firming Fluid is a solid anti-aging serum with great hydration properties and noticeable firming effects. It's particularly well-suited for dry skin and those looking to maintain a youthful glow. It works well, feels great on the skin, and has helped me see improvement in hydration and firmness. If you're someone who prioritizes quality ingredients and you're looking for a product that goes beyond just moisturizing, this one's worth a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.